Light on, light off, light on, light off. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home.
Hi, for this project we need a speaker, SD card module and Arduino board. So let's go for this project. Hello viewers, myself Adnan Sani and you are watching my channel YouTube Shop. This is the sketch with SD card module and Arduino. This is for LED and this is for PIR motion sensor. And for speaker we need an amplifier and we will take the output from digital pin 9. Now go for desktop. We'll format our SD card by SD formatter software. I will give it in my description link. Now we'll go to total audio converter software to convert our desired audio file into WAV file. To convert this, first up select, then click to WAV file, then encoding would be PCM8. You can choose also 16-bit. Now sample rate will be 11025, but you can choose also 16000 Hz. Channel would be mono. Now finished. I will copy this and paste over the SD card. For this sake, you need a SD card reader or adapter. Now copy the file and paste it over SD card. Here's the code. Here I am using TMR PCM library to play the audio file, and I am taking the output from the digital pin 9. In the void to function, you have to write down the exact same file name in what name you have saved in your SD card.
Hey! Viewers, hopefully this video was informative. If so, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care.